Devin, I know we've had our battles in the past, but I want to offer my assistance to you.